Hey guys, Sylvie here and welcome all to my Kindergarten Genius review. And the full name of this product is Kindergarten Genius with Unrestricted PLR. Okay, so this product is going live on the 3rd of March at 11 a.m. New York time, 2024. Alright. It's not that obvious to me, guys. I have no respect for time. Well, anyhow. Okay, so here is the sales page. Attach the link to the sales page below my review. So if you feel like this is the right one for you, or if you just want to, skim through the sales page and just check out the offer. And I do like the sales page because, they pretty much tell you what you're getting here. It's very transparent. So if that's for you guys and you want to pick it up from me together with my I believe quite valuable bonuses, then just grab that link below my review. Right, with that said, this is the product by these guys, Tech Magnus, and what these guys specialize in is PLR products. Their offer is always, let me refresh the page because the price is gonna pop up. Okay, it's always $9.99. I like the price point for the front end, and so they always deliver a good quality PLR product. So PLR is just, personal license rights, which means you can resell this product, you can rebrand it, you can slap your name on it. Okay, you can do all kinds of customization, editing. So yeah, you may need to be quite creative as to how to make money with PLR. I know it's not just getting a PLR product doesn't guarantee any sales, but where there's a way, where there's a will, there's a way. Okay, so if you find ways to sell them, then there's the potential of making money is great. Okay, you can resell them surely on Etsy. With my bonuses, with this ultimate Facebook traffic trick, I give you another way of generating free traffic. And there's some other bonuses to do with graphics, especially with Canva, which you may need if you want to do some kind of like customization on this product or add some, original sort of like images to the product. Okay. I haven't told you what the product is all about yet, have I? All right. As they say here, $22 billion early education market. So this is early education niche. It's going to be a bunch of over 4,000 if I well remember. I check out on the sales page all kinds of what you call them materials for children, okay, which they work with, so surely parents would love them for the children, teachers would love them for the children they teach, right, for the nursery owners, whoever runs nurseries, okay, would buy products like that. So guys, I'm not gonna read out all they say on the sales page. Now if you want to buy, just click that link, but when the product goes live, it hasn't launched yet. Okay, I'm reviewing this product on the and what have I done? So I'm reviewing this product. What's the day today, by the way? On the 2nd, right? Of what? You see, I did tell you I have no respect for time. On the 2nd of March. It's not going live till the 3rd of March, but I did mention that 11 a.m. New York time. From then you'll be able to pick it up. So yeah, so what was my point? They do say they make some suggestions as to how you can make money with this product, how you can resell it, what platforms are the best to go to, obviously Amazon as well, or on freelancing platforms like Upwork, I would say Fiverr, people per hour. People do hire freelancers for these kinds of gigs, to produce these kinds of materials for them, right? Of course they do. So as you can see, you'll get the alphabet in the alphabet category, numbers, tracing. So this is what children do. This is what they enjoy doing. This is, what they need. And this is what places like nurseries, preschool, and even just parents always want to have a supply of. Okay, all right, as you can see, shapes, coloring, reading, sideward stuff, events, flashcards for games, pretend cards, pretend play. Okay, what else? Activities and games, and all together, and again PLR product that is. So it's an extensive collection of over 4,000 preschool and kindergarten activity sheets. And as they say, each sheet is carefully designed to foster early education development, offering a vast choice of array of interactive and engaging tasks that cover, as I said, as I did show you, alphabets, numbers, shapes, colors, and beyond, of course. Okay, guys, so a simple product, but, you know, valuable. I mean, over 4,000 sheets that you can resell. As I said, you can rebrand them and all of that. So, yeah, simple product. Click this, get it now if you want to buy it. And yeah, I also offer you some bonuses that I show you the product, not yet. I mean, not much to show. Obviously, I cannot reveal the links here because this is the product you will get. So it's going to be blurred, but you know, I have all the links here. I've checked them out. They look good. Okay, and yeah, you will have them delivered in Microsoft Word. So, you know, it works well if you want to do rebranding and customization, editing, and all of that. So that's that, guys. The link will be below my review. As I said, it goes live on the 3rd of March, 11 a.m. New York time. From then on, you will be able to purchase this product. And if you buy it from me, obviously you will get all of these bonuses that you also see, just to add value to this product, I guess, to give you some like additional ways, to give you ways maybe to suggest some ways as to how you could make money with them. The platform Etsy is superb for selling these kinds of, you know, preschool, early school materials, educational materials. You can create a Facebook traffic group around that. With this training course, you will learn how to do that. Canva will be always so helpful when it comes to rebranding the product, creating some designs and stuff like that. Savvy Entrepreneur is for people who want to make it as an entrepreneur. It's also a master reseller, right? Which means you can resell it. And there's like Canva training. It's a whole, like a full-blown training, this Canva bonus I give you access to. It's a PLR, guys. So it's also a PLR, just like this product. The full product is PLR, so comes with personal license rights. Okay, so guys, I'm not gonna make it any longer. I've already covered everything. Super simple product. Okay, as they said, over 4,000 activities for preschool to kindergarten, worksheets, alphabet, numbers, shapes, colors, games, flashcards, and all of that, all in one PLR bundle to captivate, educate, and innovate, as they say. All right, guys, enjoy your weekend. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I should really go to bed. It's quite late, but I thought I would just shoot this quick, sweet and short review on this sweet and not that short product. Okay, ciao, bye.